Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to evict a tenant not paying rent. First, carefully review your lease agreement to understand the specific terms regarding non-payment. Next, you must issue a formal pay or quit notice to your tenant, giving them a set number of days, often 3 to 5, to either pay the overdue rent or vacate the property. Always ensure this notice strictly adheres to all local and state legal requirements. If the tenant does not comply with the pay or quit notice, your next step is to file an eviction lawsuit, also known as an unlawful detainer, with the appropriate local court. After filing, you must ensure the tenant is properly served with the court summons and complaint, following strict legal guidelines. Gather all relevant documents, including the lease, payment records, and the notice for your court case. You must attend the scheduled court hearing and present your evidence clearly and concisely to the judge. Be prepared to show proof of the lease agreement, unpaid rent, and proper notice. If your case is successful, the judge will issue a judgment in your favor, granting you a court order for possession of the property. This order is crucial for the next steps. With the court order in hand, you will then work with local law enforcement, such as the sheriff's department, to legally enforce the eviction and have the tenant removed from the property. They will ensure the property is vacated according to all legal procedures and timelines. Once the property is empty, you can begin the process of cleaning and preparing it for a new tenant. And hey, while you're getting things sorted, don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.